India versus India. Hyderabad versus Hyderabad. This is Ace on the purple versus Rogue in the orange.
And Ace has been the slightly quicker of the two through the competition so far, has the better lap time that we've seen between these two as far as I can recall. Going back earlier in this competition, Ace to get here just beat CGS Huge Hadron in that dramatic race. Might we have some similar fireworks between two models that appear to be very equally matched? JPMC Rogue, by the way, knocked off Carl going back to the previous round to get to this point. And once again, we should stress, no matter what, the winner of this match will have a chance to race for the Deepracer Cup coming up next Wednesday. So huge stakes on the line for a couple of very close friends and teammates. But I suspect they're teammates no longer here, Blaine. The competition is about to come out between these two.
I mean, I don't care if you work in the same office building. When you are fighting for a chance to compete in the championships, for right now, they are not friends. They are competitors. Maybe later on this week, they will break bread again. But for right now, they want to break noses as we go off. And Rogue gets caught in the first collision as Ace barely gets in front. Ace with the faster model, now desperately trying to gain some ground and make distance so that Rogue does not have a chance to move forward.
Ace just covered off that inside line, didn't he? And that led to that collision and was just far enough ahead where the fault for that collision fell on Rogue. But I'll say this, Rogue has showed some speed here to start this comeback drive. He's been able to stay right there in the mix and even close down the gap a little bit. It was under 2 seconds, at least momentarily. So these two are evenly matched, and I think there's a very good chance this comes down to being mistake-free or something close to it the rest of the way. I'm not sure there's a way past Ace without a mistake, but as soon as there is one, Rogue is right there ready to pounce.
Well, we have seen some amazing inside passes so far today. We know you absolutely can take advantage of that as you go around these hairpin turns, but they are smooth and consistent. I am seeing 1.3 second differential, 1.0 second differential. As Doomba's pointing out, this is a solid chase. Rogue may be in the back, but he is not giving up. He is just waiting for the right opportunity to pounce.
Well, Rogue might be a little bit frustrated because I think that model is the quicker of the two. We've seen that, although he just gave up quite a bit of time in that final corner, partially because Ace just threw down an amazing lap. It led in part by the fact that he had a purple final sector there. Just went sub 25 seconds a moment ago, 24.766. So that's helped him build that gap. But still, here on this final lap, Rogue is very much in the mix. It just takes one mistake, but we're running out of corners for that mistake to come. Ace has been picture perfect on this run. One corner left to clear, cuts it close, but he's able to squeak through, and Ace takes the checkered flag first and will race for the Deepracer Cup.
With an almost flawless run, if I'm sitting there, Ross Comp, and I've got to face Ace Hyderabad as the final race of today to see who gets the bye, this is going to be this is a sweat match, trying to find out if Ross can run a perfect match, because that's the only way you're going to beat Ace. Ace is coming in nice and clean. Whoever wins that match gets the bye. But for right now, it is Rogue that ends up being relegated now down to the last chance bracket, hoping to fight their way back in. Again, Rogue does finish in the money, but to be able to advance to the finals now, a much more difficult race ahead of them.
This is an amazing story for JPMC Ace. We'd seen them trying to qualify basically every month.